Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today update is coming from the IIT Kanpur and is organizing the Summer Undergraduate Research Internship Program 2021. So before starting, please like and subscribe our channel. So the under the Students Undergraduate Research Graduate Excellence Program (SURGE), students from IIT Kanpur and other participating institutes undertake short duration but focused research projects and push their intellectual abilities beyond those driven by the classroom. Due to the COVID-19, the Surge Internship Program 2021 has been converted into a total online mode. The duration of this program is approximately of the 10 weeks and the beginning date of the Surge program is 14 June 2021 and last date is 22nd August 2021. An award plus a commendation certificate is given to those Surge students who produce exceptional quality research during this period. The non-IIT Kanpur students shall be required to pay the application fees of Rs 500 through the payment gateway. The shortlisted students for the Surge 2021 shall be required to pay the Surge administrative charges, which is of Rs 900. The Surge administrative charges are not refundable. So, how can you get through this program? IIT Kanpur and non-IIT Kanpur students coming to the IIT Kanpur through the following four ways: funding from the Surge Institute funding. Students working under the funding from Surge only at IIT Kanpur receives a stipend of Rs 12,500 for the 8-week duration. You can get the funding from the faculty members. This will provide an opportunity to the students to work on the project which will be funded by the faculty members of IIT Kanpur. Third one is the self-funded. This will provide an opportunity to students to work on projects of faculty members of IIT Kanpur but would not be receiving any funding at all. Fourth one is the industry IIT Kanpur tie. This will provide an opportunity to the students as individual or in teams to work on real world projects. The student stipend is to be paid by the industry. Only the IIT Kanpur students can participate under the industry IIT Kanpur tier. So, who are eligible for this? First one, the search for the other countries. The search program has been opened to the UG students from Nepal and Bhutan. A maximum of 4 students will be selected. Search program will also be made open to the students from other selected countries on limited sponsorship. The eligibility criteria for the students at the time of the starting of internship from other countries to apply for the summer project at IIT Kanpur are as follows. You should be in your final year if you are pursuing your Bachelor's of Technology and if your program is of dual degree, then you should be in your pre-final year or final year for the application. For the BSc, you should be in your final year. The students should have the following items ready before the filling of the online application. First one is the recent passport photo size. Second is a single PDF which will containing the research proposal not more than 500 words and the current transcript. Third is the recommendation letter. There is no fixed format for the recommendation letter under this category, but the letter should be on the applicant's institute letterhead. Second is for the search for the non-IIT Kanpur Indian students. Under this program, non-IIT Kanpur will be eligible to apply for the summer project at IIT Kanpur. The eligibility criteria is as follows. The student pursuing the Bachelor's of Technology should be in the final year. For the dual degree program, you should be in your pre-final or the final year. For the BSc, you should be in your final year, and for the MSc, you should be in your final year. The students should have the following items ready for that. First one is the recent passport size photograph. Second is a single PDF format, not more than 3 MB, containing the research proposal, not more than 500 words. Second is the current transcript. Third is the recommendation letter, and same, there is no fixed format for the recommendation letter. Third is the search for the IIT Kanpur students. In this program, IIT Kanpur students are given an opportunity to work with an chosen mentor at IIT Kanpur. The eligibility is the second or third year should be completed of the bachelor's degree. If you are in dual degree, then the second, third, or fourth year should be completed, and the student should have the following items ready for the online application. First one is the recent passport photo size. Second, a single PDF containing the items as follows: the research proposal not more than 500 words, the current transcript, and the recommendation letters. So, what are the notification guidelines? The important dates are: opening of online application is started from the 2nd February 2021 and will close on 22nd February 2021. So apply as early as possible. Fee for the online application form for the search only for the non-IIT Kanpur students is rupees 500. Link of the payment procedure is given. I will provide you the link in the description box. The general instructions to the candidate is: eligible candidates are required to register online through the website. Online application will be available from 2nd February to 22nd February. Application form of search 2021 participant will be considered completely only after these phases. First phase is the registration to the online portal. There are three categories: the IIT Kanpur students, non-IIT Kanpur students, and only the non-Indian students from Nepal and Bhutan. Complete the registration from in all respects. Second is the payment of the application fee of rupees 500. Before going for the payment process, please go through the payment procedure link. Second, please click on the State Bank click link to pay the application fees. After completion of the payment, please note down the transaction ID and save the payment in the PDF form. The second phase is the log in with the credentials mentioned in the mail and complete the online application. In step 4, you need to enter the transaction ID and upload the payment receipt. Complete all the 4 sections step by step, uploading the relevant documents. Please quote the application number in all future correspondence. Application will be considered complete only after receiving of application fees. Incomplete or incorrect application will not be entertained and will summary rejected. So application link will be given in the description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications on internship and jobs, and also don't forget to join our Telegram group.